So this muscle's really tight. Let me show you how we got here. Is that okay?
It's perfect.
Okay. Once it gets down to like your glutes, hamstrings, calves, you're gonna feel me hold your legs. Sometimes it gets like really ticklish, so I'm just gonna hold you so you don't kick me.
Okay.
We do this like kind of briefly just to loosen you up a little bit. You use like a really strong vibration to loosen the muscles. Start here. Feel some shoulder.
Okay.
You're a little tight right here.
A little bit.
What are you doing the rest of the day?
Just gonna show today. Yeah.
Easy day.
I am so happy.
That's okay. You feel a stretch?
Yeah.
Like right through there?
Yeah.
Like one hamstring? Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry I didn't hit you.
It's okay. I have 2 legs. So if it's too much, you'll let me know, okay?
Okay. What's that?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'm regretting this.
That's what I was like to see now. I will get rid of the knot and you're just gonna feel it. We'll keep it a little bit gentle, but
Oh my god.
this is like not a massage at all.
No.
It's like you ask for your money back.
No, but it's like you need it.
You
know.
You're relaxed. Good. This is just so tight. Usually feels a little sore throughout the day and feels really good the next day.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm a lefty.
Well then that probably makes plenty sense. So this muscle's really tight in here. So when you slowly kind of work on the muscle, it'll stretch and then loosen the ligament that attaches the muscle to the bone. So you have 3 muscles here. These are like your scalenes. So when you take a deep breath in, these kind of expand. But when you hunch a little bit, they get really tight, which is what
I
you're
like
doing.
that I'm hunching and you're so tight. Oh my god.
But it's really the left side.